Today we're gonna see how to apply grip tape. Firstly, remove any plastic wrapping, stickers or residue from the deck. Ensure that the surface is clean and dry before applying grip tape. A reminder, you can't apply grip tape over old grip. It won't stick. Firstly, grab your sheet of grip tape and peel off the backing paper to reveal the adhesive side. Save the backing paper for smoothing later. Hold the grip tape long ways and hover over to your board. Align it carefully to ensure full coverage and stick the grip from the nose to the tail, keeping it centered. And if needed, lift and reposition before pressing it down. Start pressing from the center, working to the way outwards. Smooth it down towards the nose and tail to prevent air bubbles and place the board on the ground, then step on it to remove any remaining air bubbles. Take a flat file and rub it along the edge of your skateboard. This creates a wide guideline for easy cutting. Just a tip, don't file too much, you might wear through the grip tape. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.